Well, all my battery power is gone except for starting battery power. Sucks. A country boy can survive, right? Gotta get heat going. Might try the propane heater, see if it works. I doubt it. Get yellow flamed either last week. Yep. Gonna start up, run, charge up. Again. Sucks having no power. Oh yeah, it's low too. It's cold. It's like 24 degrees outside. It's supposed to warm up a temperature by another hour. A degree. A full degree. Well, this shit's fucking sucked. 24 degrees. What's that in 24? Wow. I ain't got no juice. No siree. Well, since I got these LiPo, I got unused what do you call it? What are they called? UPS. Well, spare UPS. I'm gonna hook up a lithium battery to it. I'm gonna straight wire. Yeah. Straight wire went to it, or to UPS LiPo to UPS, and yep, this is how it goes. Country boy can survive. Techno country boy. Call myself a road dog. Road dog country boy. Oh, try to figure out me a fucking definition yet. Oh yeah. Road dog. Country boy. Road dog country boy. Techno. Road dog. Well, anyways, have a good day. Later. Bye.